Welcome back, guys. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we're in the home. In this video, we will be sharing with you our best vanity mirrors for bathrooms. Whatever your gender may be, we must admit that a well-lit vanity mirror is an essential component of any bathroom. Not only does it make it easier to apply your makeup or shave, but it can also add a touch of elegance and functionality to your bathroom decor. In this video, we'll show you our top picks for vanity mirrors based on their quality, features, and affordability. So let's get started. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth vanity mirror on our list is the Bevel black rubber framed mirror, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. The Bevel black rubber framed mirror will make a great stylish addition to any home decor. Its sleek, round design is perfect for bathrooms, living rooms, and entryways, while the black rubber frame provides a contemporary look and serves as a protective bumper in high-traffic areas. The mirror's ultra-flush hanging system also ensures a safe and secure installation, and all necessary hardware is included right out of the box. In addition to this, the 1/4 inch thick glass eliminates distortion, thereby providing you with a bright and clear reflection. Plus, the premium silver backing enhances durability in high-humidity environment, making it perfect for use in bathrooms. That said, the mirror is designed, assembled, and packaged in the USA, backed by 65+ years of expertise in mirrors. Last but not least, the vanity mirror comes pre-assembled and ready to hang, making installation an absolute breeze. Now, it does have its downsides, such as the fact that the mirror may not be ideal for those looking for a larger mirror. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people looking for a stylish and durable mirror for their bathroom. Its striking modern design would make it a great addition to any bathroom. The fourth vanity mirror on our list is the Hamilton Hills Metal Silver Frame Mirror, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. The Hamilton Hills Metal Silver Frame Mirror is a sophisticated and elegant choice for your bathroom, whether you're looking for something striking or more understated. Its polished silver metal frame is thin and modern, allowing the large rectangular plate glass mirror to be the center of attraction. The glass also creates this floating effect, which adds to its charm and contemporary look. Aside from this, the mirror is recessed onto its frame and has floating edges, making it safe and easy to install with the included hardware. With customizable components, the mirror can be hung horizontally or vertically. Constructed with premium materials to strict trade secret standards, you'll also be glad to find that the mirror is quite sturdy and will surely stand the test of time. While the mirror can be hung both horizontally and vertically, some customers may find it a bit cumbersome to switch positions. With a bit of time and practice, however, you'll get used to it. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those who want to add a touch of sophistication and contemporary style to their bathroom. The third vanity mirror on our list is the Keonjinn Backlit Mirror Bathroom, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. For those who want to add a touch of style and sophistication to their bathroom, the Keonjinn Backlit Mirror Bathroom is an excellent choice. Its unique design with an acrylic-wrapped light strip and no exposed light strip makes it not only stylish but also waterproof and safe. The mirror has a high-density 120 LEDs per meter light strip, which provides ultra-bright LED backlighting, and the CRI 90+ brings high-definition imaging for your convenience. As if that's not impressive enough, its LED light is dimmable and can be controlled with a power switch, with the ability to change the light intensity from normal to brightest by simply touching the power switch button for 3 seconds. Suffice it to say, we absolutely love this feature, and it will pay off even more in the long term. As for safety features, a built-in anti-fog function automatically shuts off after 1 hour, so you can be assured of a safe and energy-saving experience. Finally, the Keonjinn Backlit Mirror Bathroom comes with customized packaging to protect the mirror in all aspects, so you can get right to assembling it as soon as it arrives at your front door. Now, one of its downsides is its steep price point, but if you haven't been listening enough, its set of functions and safety features more than justify the price tag. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who wants a high-quality, stylish, and functional mirror that offers exceptional value for money. The second vanity mirror on our list is the Moen wall mount pivot mirror, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. If you're looking for a great addition to your bathroom, the Moen wall mount pivot mirror offers both functionality and style in one fashionable package. With its brushed nickel finish, this frameless oval mirror exudes a warm and inviting look that coordinates with all your other bathroom accessories. One of its key features is its ability to tilt. This allows you to find the best angle for your viewing pleasure whenever you're getting prepped up in the morning. The package includes a mounting template and hardware, making installation hassle-free. Aside from this, its glass construction and durable zinc mounting posts make it resistant to corrosion, ensuring its durability over the long term. Lastly, the companion collection offers coordinating bathroom accessories such as towel bars and rope hooks if you want to complete your bathroom's look. On the downside, the mirror doesn't have any lights built in, so you may need to buy some lights to see yourself clearly. Don't worry though, these lights come at a cheap price. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals looking for a high-quality and durable bathroom mirror that is easy to install and adjust to their preferred viewing angle. The best vanity mirror on our list is the Orren Ellis Weeksville Modern and Contemporary Mirror, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. This modern and contemporary mirror by Orren Ellis Weeksville will undoubtedly make a sleek and stylish addition to any modern bathroom or living space. Its rounded rectangular design makes it a perfect fit over a bathroom vanity or an accent piece in an entryway or living room. What's more is that the durable steel frame is absolutely great at resisting flaking, cracking, and water damage. This makes it a very good mirror even in environments with high humidity. If you think that's its best feature, then you'd be wrong. The premium quality 1/4-inch glass ensures durability and provides the mirror with a solid foundation to stand on, so you don't have to worry about anything else but getting ready in the morning. The mirror can be installed in either a vertical or horizontal orientation with the included Z-bars, and the installation guide, drywall anchors, and screws are also provided for easy setup. Our time installing this mirror was an absolute breeze, which is why we can't recommend it enough. As far as downsides go, the mirror's sleek minimalist design may not appeal to everyone's taste, especially those who prefer more decorative or intricate frames. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who are looking for a more durable vanity mirror than those made from simple aluminum. And there you have it, folks, our best vanity mirrors for bathrooms, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next vanity mirror roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.